volume profile for the MetaTrader 4. The winners are DC Charlie from the Facebook comments and West Conjurn from YouTube comments. So congratulations guys, and thanks all for participating. I'll do another contest for the next week. To participate in the contest for the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4, just comment below the video either on Facebook or on YouTube, and I'll pick one winner from Facebook comments, one winner from YouTube comments, and I'll send them the indicator. Pretty simple, right? So let's now go into the analysis, into the trading ideas. The first one is on the euro dollar. It's an intraday trading idea. This is a 30-minute chart of the euro dollar. There is a strong resistance at 1.1148, and it is based on volume accumulation setup. The volume accumulation setup is basically a rotation in which heavy volumes are accumulated, and the rotation is followed by a strong trend. Like in this case, it's a downtrend. So because of the downtrend, because of the selling activity in here, we expect that the volumes in here were volumes of sellers. Sellers were accumulating their positions in here. Afterwards, they pushed the price downwards. So what we expect is that when the price makes it back to this level again, those sellers will start selling again, defending their selling positions and to push the price downwards. By the way, we had a nice trade on a Friday with members of my trading group. It was also based on volume accumulation setup. It was based on those volumes. This was the level, and this was the reaction to the level. Basically the same scenario as in here. Alright, rotation followed by a selling activity. The next intraday trading idea is on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. There's also a volume accumulation setup. Heavy volumes accumulated in here in this rotation. Afterwards you can see aggressive buying activity. Aggressive buyers taking over and pushing the price upwards. When the price makes a pullback to this level, I expect that those buyers will start defending their buying positions and they'll push the price upwards again. The exact value of the strong intraday support is at 0.6615. Let's now have a look at the British pound. I don't usually trade the pound because it's a sort of wild pair to trade, but there is very strong level, and it's just very tempting to take it. So let me show you. It's this level at 1.2058, and it is based on the volume accumulation setup, but it's based on the weekly point of control. As you can see, I used the flexible profile over this whole rotation area, and the heaviest volumes throughout the whole week were in here. At this price level we have. From this rotation, strong buying activity started. This is a sign that strong buyers were entering their buying positions in here, and afterwards they initiated this buying activity. So when the price makes it back to this level again, it's pretty likely that those buyers will want to defend their buying positions, and they're likely to start pushing the price aggressively upwards again. By the way, if you are used to using the profile just for the rotation before the strong buying activity, it will look like this. Maybe you can use it more like for this rotation. This is the whole rotation which took place before the buying activity. And as you can see, the level is exactly the same. So no matter if you use the profile only for the rotation before the buying activity or for the whole week, you will get the same level, which basically means that the level is very strong. It's a nice confluence. Alright, so that's the strong support on the British pound. And the last intraday idea will be on the euro pound. So let's have a look at it. This one is based on a trend setup. There is a trend, and within the trend there is a volume cluster in here. Little rotation. This is the level 0.8 92.12, and it is a strong resistance level because I think that when the sellers were pushing price downwards, they were adding to their selling positions in here in this little rotation, and those are their volumes. So when the price makes it back to this level, I think that those sellers will try and defend their selling positions, and they are likely to push the price downwards from this resistance zone again. What I also like about this level is that if you use the profile for the whole area, you'll see that it's very close to this significant volume zone. Heavier volumes were just in here, but the second heaviest volumes were right there. And basically what happened is that sellers pushed through this significant volume zone. And this means that the sellers were quite strong in here. They were fighting the buyers in here, but they won. They were adding to their selling positions aggressively in here. Then the price fell. So this is nice confirmation of the level. Heavy volume zone, which the price went past. And when there is a pullback, I expect that those sellers who pushed past this strong support will be defending their volumes, defending their positions, and they'll push the price downwards. Alright, so that's for the intraday trading ideas. Let's now have a look at swing trade idea, which is on gold. So before you, this is the gold chart. It's a daily chart, the daily candles. As you can see, there's strong buying activity. So in case like that, I'm looking for the trend setup. Basically, trend setup means that you are looking for significant volume cluster within a trend. Volume cluster like this. This is very strong volume cluster created in here in this rotation within the trend. So this means buyers adding to their buying positions and pushing the price aggressively even higher. So when the price makes it back to this level, I think that the buyers will be defending their buying positions, which they accumulated in here, most of them in here, and they're likely to push the price upwards from this level again. The exact value of the strong support is 14.16. Alright, so that's for the weekly trading ideas, guys. I hope you like them. I hope you found them useful. And if you would like to become a member of my private trading group, you are very welcome to do so. Just go to my website, trader-dale.com, and you go in here, Dale's Forex course. You scroll down, and in here, you can get in the trading course. Currently there is a summer sale, there is a 35% off. And what I recommend is getting this package where you get the Forex course, a lifetime membership in the trading course, where you'll be able to trade with me every day. And you'll also get the volume profile pack, which I developed for NinjaTrader 8. It's a professional trading tool, also lifetime license. And I'm sure that you'll find it very useful in your trading. Alright, so that's about it for the video. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, guys, and until then, happy trading.